In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a received customer payment in Zoho Books. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your transactions are accurately reflected in your accounts. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, let's head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your financial data effortlessly. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Sales tab. This section is designed to manage all sales-related transactions, so anytime you receive payment, you'll want to start here. After clicking on Sales, your next step is to find and select Payments Received. This feature allows you to track all the payments you've received from your customers, ensuring that every transaction is recorded accurately. Keeping track of these payments helps you maintain a clear overview of your finances and ensures that your books align with your actual cash flow. Now, let's add a new payment. To do this, simply click on the New button. This will open up a form where you can enter details about the payment you've received. Start by choosing a customer from the drop-down menu. Selecting the correct customer is crucial as it links the payment to the correct account, reducing errors and ensuring that your records are organized. Next, you'll want to enter the amount received. Be sure to double-check the amount for accuracy to prevent any discrepancies. Once you've input the amount, you can select the payment date. Accurately recording the date helps maintain a precise financial timeline for auditing and analysis purposes. Following the payment date, select the payment mode. Zoho Books offers various options like cash, check, or bank transfer, allowing you to document precisely how each payment was received. This step is essential for creating detailed transaction records, which facilitate easier financial reviews and audits. Now it's time to choose where to deposit this payment. The Deposit To option allows you to select the bank account or cash option where the payment is being deposited. Ensuring you select the correct deposit option is vital for reconciling your accounts later on, so take a moment to verify this information. Finally, once you've reviewed all the entered information and confirmed its accuracy, click Saving the transaction records the payment, updating your financial statements and ensuring everything aligns perfectly. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your customer payments within Zoho Books, keeping your financial records timely and accurate. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Enjoy managing your books with confidence.